pretty easy to describe what makes Amerequip different. We can do it all for our OEM customers, from highly custom design engineering to manufacturing, paint, and assembly.
Anybody who's ever studied Lean, the first day they're talking about the Toyota Production System. And Toyota Lean Management is really our version that pays homage to the Toyota Production System, which is, world-renowned as the leader or the original Lean.
We had the opportunity to visit the Toyota France facility, and it was the first time after 30 years that I was in a manufacturing facility that I was able to truly see the Lean principles and CI principles being used in their entirety. It was a completely aha moment, and I could be 100% committed because I actually seen it in use and knew that everything there could be applied here.
So then the next path was that they came to our factory in Columbus, and we set up a 3-day training course for them. And that 3 days introduces them to all the tools of Lean. They get to see the factory firsthand, and we challenge them. Okay, you've seen all these things. Training doesn't mean anything if there's not practical application. So what are you inspired to do next?
We here at Amerequip had this problem is we all work 2 or 3 levels down to keep the business running. When you use the Lean principles correctly, the plant runs itself. So you got to keep that focused. Kaizen events, value stream maps, these are all tools to help you get better.
The thing that makes Amerequip stand out is the fact that they have a dedicated resource on site, and then they have me and the Toyota Lean Management team at arm's length to provide some coaching, but they have top-down whole company involvement.
Our Lean journey really started when our leadership committed to it from the top down. That commitment is what really drove the buy-in with the employees.
The idea was that we would train people the how and the why and give them the tool and let them implement it in the organization. And as they achieved more, we would then give them more. So as they caught on, they were pulling more information. They were asking questions. How do I do this? How do I do that? And we knew then that they were ready for the next thing.
The engagement with the team has been a total transformation. From our Loop 1 meetings in the morning where we talk about our day before and where we're going for the day, they're engaged and understand more with what we're driving for in production, quality, the people themselves, always putting our love, serve, care in front and striving to improve every day.
We go to the customer side with a different lens, which is the lens of how do we improve the customer's output beyond the equipment. Can we help them with layout? Can we help them with quality control? Can we help them to visualize the problems in their processes in a different way and then give them the tools to get a little bit better every day?
Through different areas, we were able to free up about 37,000 square feet. We were able to establish a future state for our fab department and consolidate work centers that were in different buildings. What that allowed us to do is open up other areas for future growth within our business. Another benefit that Amerequip has is we established a roadmap or a 3-year plan on how we were going to achieve our goals. And everybody's bought in. It's not something that's being pushed from one individual. We collectively agree this is how we're going to do it, and I get the joy of just helping execute it.
As we continue to celebrate and recognize the rewards, the momentum and the enthusiasm continues to grow.